What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Veracity VRA, which has pumped up 60% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.006419 cents. So we're going to be going through its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go, and also looking at, is it worth investing into it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at, is it going to keep going up in value? As you can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and more or less it's been consistently gaining value over the last nearly 2 weeks, guys, and yeah, it's been performing absolutely insane. So is it going to keep going this way, or is it going to crash anytime soon? So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is up just about 1.5% in the last 24 hours, and we've got Veracity gaining a massive nearly 60% in value in the last hour. 4% over the week, it has gained a massive 130%, guys. As you can see, consistently going up in value over the last week, and over the month a massive 149%. And as you can see, as soon as it hit the 1st of January 2023, that's when it started gaining value, and yeah, over the last 2 weeks it's been gaining a huge amount of value. So on the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by another 104% in the last 24 hours, making it $55.6 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Veracity. We're seeing a lot more investors, as it is getting a lot of attention, especially over the last couple of days with its major pumps and so on. More and more people are investing into it, and we are also seeing a lot of sellers taking out their profits, and so in general a lot of people trading the crypto, hence why we are seeing the trading volume go up like crazy. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm gonna hide this, and I'm gonna bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Veracity, which at the moment is at 0.003196 here in purple. However, it is trading at a much higher value here, about double its average value at 0.006424, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, guys. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Veracity to more or less be trading at its current price range here. And again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently staying at its price range. We are going to see a dip down to about 0.0055 and then peak up to 0.007 or even higher than that over the coming 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. And then after that, it's likely to fluctuate at its current price range that it's at the moment. So over the by the end of the day today, we should see it staying at a similar price range. However, guys, as I mentioned plenty of times before, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, it has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and that's exactly what's taking place right now. So it's ready for it to go for another increase in value or another minimal pump before it drops back down in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, in the next couple of days, as you can see, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the MACD indicator is looking very steep, heading towards the bullish side, meaning it is not realistic. And again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines heading towards the positive direction is because of the major increase that's just taken place. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, especially after the huge increase it's been going through over the last few days. But Yes, I'm expecting it to increase in value, but nothing major. I'm expecting it to just about head to about 0.008 to 0.0085 cents by the end of next week. So over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting a minimal increase in value on Veracity. And again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7 8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it drops, green days when it pumps, but it just means the green days are going to overtake the red days. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days from Veracity. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We've got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, looking very positive and looking quite steep as well. So once again, it is not realistic. Over the coming weeks, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value before it pumps back up. So I'm expecting a small drop in value, nothing major. It's going to be very minimal, and by mid to late March 2023, I'm expecting Veracity to be trading over the 1 cent target. So yes guys, we should be hitting 1 cent by mid-February to late February, and then even higher than that by mid-March to late March as well, unless of course we see a major pump or a major crash. Then obviously that will be delayed, or we can hit the 1 cent target earlier than that, but it all depends on how the crypto market performs with any crashes or pumps and so on and anything like that. As usual guys, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we are getting closer and closer to hitting the resistance target to head into the green zone, and we need to hit 2 cents guys to head into the green zone or hit the resistance target, which I'm expecting we should be able to hit by mid-year. We should be able to hit the resistance target, and in the second half of the year we should be able to head into the green zone. And guys, those of you asking when is it possible for it to hit the 10 cents target, I'm not expecting 10 cents in 2023. I've seen a lot of comments, a lot of DMs saying, you know what, Veracity is likely to hit 10 cents in 2023 only because of the major pump it's been going through over the last 2 weeks. However, I don't believe it's going to hit 10 cents only because it's going to have to go for a major price increase for it to hit that target, which again I don't think is possible in the next 11 and a half months, unless of course we see a major bull run or a major partnership that they go through. Then yes, it may be able to pump, but with the information and analysis that I've got so far, potentially not. Maybe early next year is when I'm expecting Veracity to hit the 10 cents target. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, comment down below and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated at least about 3-4 times a week on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video guys. Just a quick one on Veracity. Let me know your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. Massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I am trying to hit 100k. And guys, please subscribe, because you know what, it's free to do so, so why not? And yeah, I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.